My intuition.
Amazons, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? I don't know where that came from. My name's Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video, I am going to be doing my wish list, or basically what I have in my cart for the upcoming Sephora Beauty Insider VIB Rouge sale, plus my recommendations for you guys as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I am going to be or wanting to purchase, obviously I'm not going to be able to buy everything I have in my cart right now, and then also my recommendations on items that I think are really good, and it's just the sale's a perfect opportunity to get them because you get 20% off. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. Yeah, let's get right into it. Let me pull up my cart here in my Sephora app. Okay, so the first thing is actually pretty cheap, but I don't know how much longer it's going to be on sale, and it's the Pat McGrath Mini Guilty Pleasures Lip Trio. So it's a 3 mini lipstick kit, and you get exclusive Executive Realness, a Velvety Potent Plum, Elson 2, the Cult Classic Rouge, and Softcore, a Sublime Satin Pink. So those all sound like beautiful colors to me, and I think Pat McGrath lipsticks are the bomb. So, and it's doing $12.50. Alright, so the next item I have in my cart is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Cream Double Take Lip Set. So she came out with a new formula, which are these Gloss Balm Cream Color Drip Lip Shades, and this comes with 2 of them. You get a brand new, never before seen shades in Bubble Binge, which is a dusty pink, and Cupcaking, which is a hot pink. 2 pinks, girl, you know that's all me. And I've been wanting to try this formula, so what better way to do it than to get 2 of them. Alright, so the next item in my cart, and this is also just a recommendation for everyone. Well, I can't really say that because I haven't tried it myself, but I have heard so many good things about this for so long, and I've wanted to try it for so long, and I think I'm finally going to just finally do it this sale, and it is the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. So this is a palette with 4 luminous highlighters, and the one that I want is in one universal. So it comes with a white, a golden, a bronze, and a rosy. So yeah, and that is a more expensive item. It is $45, so 20% off would be great. Alright, the next item in my cart, if you guys have been around my channel for a minute, you've probably heard me say before, I'm a Huda beauty whore. I do not watch her videos on YouTube, but I love her eyeshadows. And she just came out with another genre of the mini Obsessions palettes, and they're called the Brown Obsessions palettes. So there are 3 of them. There's toffee, chocolate, and caramel. So the one that I want to try is toffee. Alright, so the next item in my cart is this Jouer Cosmetics powder highlighter, and I have it in Ice, which is a shimmering pearl with gold reflect, and this is actually only $25, but my very first Jouer highlighter purchase was the Molten Glow highlighter. That highlighter is the bomb. That is definitely one of my recommendations for the VIB sale. It is, oh my gosh, one of my all-time favorite highlighters, and since I love the formula and the color so much, I figured I should try another one of their highlighters, and it's only $25, so hey. So this next one is an item I've also been wanting for a while, so I'm not gonna get this and the Dior. I'm gonna have to decide which one I want more, but this is the Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold Highlighting Palette. So this is a very pricey item. It is $58, and it's a trio of pressed powder highlighters. You get a gold, a soft pink tinted rose gold, and a bronze. The pans seem pretty small, and it's $58, so I don't know, but I have heard that they're gorgeous, so we'll see. Okay, so next, this is a new item, and I love the Laneige Lip Mask, so when I saw this, I was like, yes please. This is the Laneige Lip Treatment Balm. So this is a pearlescent, that sold me right there, daily lip treatment that coats lips in nourishing hydration, visibly smooths lip wrinkles, and boosts the look of lip fullness. So I'm all about that, and I don't know how anything could get better than the Laneige Sleeping Mask, but I'm down to try this. So next in my cart, I have some Velour lashes in the Fluffing Glam collection, which is my absolute all-time favorite collection from their lashes. And the ones that I'm looking at right now are IDGAF, and they're spiky patterned lashes with added length and volume. And I typically wait for the Sephora sale to get these because $29 for lashes, like, that's just insanity. But I love these lashes so much. They're such good quality. They last so long, and they are so easy to apply. Yes. So next is something that's also a new item. Now, I love, love, love my Dior Forever Undercover 24-Hour Foundation, and this is the Dior Forever Skin Veil Primer. So this is a primer with broad spectrum SPF 20 and protection and up to 24 hours of wear and hydration that corrects, protects, and illuminates in one application. So they got me right there with it being a radiant primer. So it says it provides lasting hydration, that's another bonus, for all skin types, and up to 24 hours of correction. Its weightless cream texture smooths and illuminates skin for an even complexion. It also offers protection with UVA, UVB filters in the ideal base for under your Dior Forever foundation. And this is a higher price item. It is $48. So let's go to some of my recommendations. Now, the Sephora kits are hit and miss, but I have never had a bad experience with the Lash Stash to go, and looking at the most recent one, this is a really, really good one because you get the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara, probably my all-time favorite mascara. The Lancome mascara is in my top 5 favorites. You get the Fenty Beauty mascara, you get Milk Makeup mascara for $28. And if I remember correctly, yes, it also comes with a voucher that you can take into the Sephora store and redeem for a full-size mascara. So you get to try all these and then take that voucher in to the store and get a full-size mascara. And it's $28, so that's just like buying a full-size mascara right there. Alright, so my next recommendation is if you're someone who, especially with the summer coming up, isn't into a full coverage foundation and you're looking for something very lightweight, Fenty Beauty just came out with the Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. And I also love that it's only $29.50. But this is a lightweight, buildable, light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves skin looking blurred and smooth. Has a natural finish. If I was into light coverage foundations, I would definitely try it, but I'm not. So the next item, this is probably going to go on my cart as well. I love Glam Glow products. They are my all-time favorite skincare brand, and their products just work wonders. And they recently came out with a Bright Mud Dual Exfoliation Treatment. Now, the Bright Mud Mask, exfoliating mask, is my favorite Glam Glow mask. So this is a treatment, but it's very pricey. It's $60. It's a dual action exfoliating mask that chemically and physically buffs away unwanted dead skin cells with lactic acid, salicylic acid, and microfine pumice to rapidly reveal visibly bright, even, and radiant skin. There is a foundation customizable set by Armani Beauty with the Luminous Silk Foundation. So you get, you pick your shade of the Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Foundation, and you get the Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancer and Eyes to Kill Mascara, which is an amazing mascara, basically for free. You're just paying for the foundation and you get those two items for free. So if you're someone who's always wanted to try the Luminous Silk Foundation, then this would be a great opportunity to do that and get a couple extra items. Now, I'm probably going to get some of these. Okay, so these Sephora Collection false eyelashes, they are amazing and they're only $10. They have a good amount. How many? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different kinds. Everything from dramatic to more natural looking. They're $10 and they are honestly quality lashes. So if you're looking for some lashes that are, you know, good quality but on the more affordable end, I would definitely recommend these. So another product that I would definitely recommend during the sale is going to be the Natasha Denona Circo Loco palette. I should have waited for the sale to get it, but I'm impatient. I just filmed a tutorial with it, and actually the eyeshadow I'm wearing right now is using this palette, and this is I haven't been this excited about a Natasha Denona palette in a while. I'm so glad that she came out with a colorful palette, and the only thing is I wish she would have made it a $65 palette. Unfortunately, this is a $125 palette, but you know, with 20% off, you're gonna get almost $25 off. So something else that I might get is I've really been wanting to try this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Matte Bronzer, but this is a $55 bronzer. And if I'm being honest, what I really need is another of my Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. So this is another high priced item. It's $45, so I might get a backup of that. And I definitely recommend that powder to anybody. It is the bomb. It's like it adds a filter to your face. Oh, and then there's another powder I want to talk about. So, alright, the next recommendation is the Tatcha The Silk Powder Protective Setting Powder. So, I love this for so many reasons. Number one, it shields from protection and blue light, and it also has a soft, radiant finish. But it's so finely milled, it's very soft, it feels like silk, and even though it has a slightly radiant finish, you are still able to like set your under eyes with it. There are some like illuminating powders that you can't use to set your under eyes. You have to go in with like a translucent powder first and then go over with the like luminescent powder, but not this one. You can do it all with this one. Alright guys, I don't want to go too crazy with my recommendations, but that is what I've really been interested in for this upcoming Sephora sale. Let me know some of the items you're interested in down below in the comments. I would love to hear about something that's really awesome that I've missed or I just haven't heard about. So yeah, alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.